Hey guys, it's Frank. So today we're going to be unboxing TXT's mini album, minisode1 Blue Hour. I did get all three versions, which is the VR, AR, and R version. Let's go ahead and get right into the VR version. I'm super excited because this album was so freaking good. I know I'm super late at unboxing it, but I just haven't had any time to film. But I mean, better late than never, right? But here's the back. I'm not quite sure how this, okay, there we go. So it opens up from here. Oh, it's a little scary. But I loved like all the concept pictures and everything, so I'm like super excited. Let me go ahead and remove any random items that are in here. Looks like we're all good. But here's the photo book, spine, and then here's the back. But let's go ahead and get right into the photo book. Honestly, these concepts were so freaking good. I love them. Like the colors, the styling, everything was perfect. I love his blue hair. It's so cute. Oh, he looks so good. Oh my gosh. Wow. The pink hair is so cute too. Oh wow, they look so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, cutie. So cute. Okay. Cute. I love his blonde hair. Looks so good on him. Cute. I'm telling you, these concepts are so cute. I love them. Like paired up with the styling, everything is perfect, to be honest. Oh, his bucket hat, how cute. Cute. Wow. Okay, cute. Oh, the cherry, how cute. I'm telling you, oh, so good. Oh my god, I love this. Wow, oh, how cute. Oh my gosh. Any guy, cute. Love it. The graphics are so cute. Oh, cute. Oh, yes, I love these. The character profiles, so cute. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Wow. So good. Wow. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I love this so much. Wow. This styling, oh, so good. Cute. Cute. Oh, I love this so much. Oh my gosh. Wow. Subins, thanks to Young Jones, Uni Ties, Tan, and One Views. And then credits. And then here's the CD. How cute. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then there's some other stuff in here. There's this, it's a behind book. I'm assuming it's like behind the scenes stuff. Not sure. but we shall see. Oh, cute. Cute. And then here's the other one. Cute. Oh, cute. It's adorable. And then here's this one. Oh, this is so cute. Cute. And then here's those. Cute. Cute. Okay, cute. Oh my god, look at this one. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. He looks so good. It's crazy. And then there's those. And that one. Cute. Wow, he looks so good. Oh my gosh. Wow. Cute. And there's those. And that one. Oh, cute. Cute. And there's this one. Cute. Little group shot. Oh, cute. Cute. And there's credits, and that's it for that. Then there's, oh my god, these are adorable. How cute are these stickers? Oh my gosh. And I just got a new phone too, so I'm super excited to use these. I will be using them because they're adorable. The little characters, that's so cute. Oh my god, you guys, these are adorable. I love this so much. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. And then there's like a random postcard in here. Okay, we got Bunky, cute. And then there's this, I think it's a lyric, oh yeah, it's a lyric accordion. Cute. That's cute. And then there is the Weaver's Shop thing for cash. And then our pull, oh, we got Subin. Oh, cute. Yay. Let me put this behind like a white background. Cute. That's so adorable. I love it. Oh my god. Well, yeah, that is it for this version. So let's go ahead and get right into the next one. All right, so this is the AR version. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Here's the front, the side, bottom, nothing on this side, nothing on there. But let's get right into it. This is, I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit hard to open, just because it's so damn stiff. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. I'll go ahead and remove my pulls. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into the photo book. Here's the cover, spine, and the back. Let's go ahead and get right to it. Cute. Oh, cute. Oh, that's so adorable. This one feels a little bit thicker than the other one. Oh, I remember these pictures when they were posting the concept photos. Cute. Oh my god. They look so soft in this one. Cute. Oh wow, he looks so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so adorable. Oh my god. Cute. I love his glasses too. They're so adorable. Cute. That grass looks fake. That's not real grass. Or at least it doesn't look like real grass. Cute. Okay, tourist. He's got that tourist outfit going on. Cute. Oh, cute. Wow, he looks so good. Subinin readers, man, adorable. Wow. Cute. How cute. These photo books are really long. Like, I do not know how many pages long they are, but there's a lot of pictures in here. Cute. The freckles, oh my gosh. Cute. Oh, so cute. Oof. Here's the thing about small photo books is that they just, like, they wobble everywhere. Cute. Oh, cute. Wow. Looks so good. Oh my gosh. The lollipop, cute. And I love how his hair has different shades of colors. Like, there's like blue stripes, yellow stripes, orange. Super cute. Cute. I love his earring. It's so cute. Oh, he looks so cute. Cute. Oh, so adorable. Cute. Thanks to and then the credits, and then here's the CD for this one. It kind of looks the same, just a slight different shade of pink. But let's go ahead and go through the credits. Accordion thing. Cute. Wish list. Honestly, all the songs in here were so good, but I think my favorite is Ghosting. It was so freaking good. I'll go ahead and go through this sideways because it was really complicated earlier trying to show all the photos. Cute. I'll angle it just so that there's not a glare and that you guys can see fine. Cute. Oh, this is so cute. This thing is really fragile too though. Like, if you guys bought this album, be very careful with this because it's really flimsy and it feels like it's gonna fall apart any second. But oh my god, he looks so cute. Cute. So just be very careful with this and with the photo book, because the photo book too, because it's so small and it has so many pictures, it can get ruined very easily. But let's go ahead and go through the stickers of this one. Cute, 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 cute. And then this one, how cute, how adorable are these stickers? Like, they're insane. Oh, we got him again. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then here's the Weverse QR code. I will be using the QR code, but let's go ahead and see who we pulled. Cute. Cute. Okay. Oh, he looks so good. Oh, okay. Well, let's go ahead and get right into the next one. All right, guys. So this is the third and final version, which is the R version of the album. Here's the front, bottom side, the other side, and then the top. Let's go ahead and get right into it so that we can go through it and then also see our pulls. I'll go ahead and remove my pulls off camera. All right, so here is the front, and then here's the side and the back. Oh, I think this is my favorite concept. From what I saw in like the concept pictures, I loved this one so freaking much. Oh, so cute. So cute. Wow, he looks so good. The hair is so cute. The stickers, everything is perfect. The styling, the glasses, oh, so good. Wow, cute. Cute. The Crocs, oh my gosh. Cute. I love these sunnies. They have some pink ones. They're so cute. Cute. The bracelets, oh my gosh. Cute. Oh, I love this styling. He looks so good. Cute. Cute. Yeah, I think this is my favorite concept out of all three. So good. Cute. Cute. I don't know why, it's just, oh, it's so good. I mean, look at this. Come on, how can this not be your favorite concept? Oh, so cute. Cute. Okay. Oof. He looks so good. Oh my gosh. Cute. Oh, I love this so much. Oh my gosh. Wow. Cute. Love it. The Crocs, oh my gosh, how cute. Oh, he looks so cute. Oh my gosh. Love this styling. So cute. Love it. So cute. Oh my gosh. His hair. Cute. Love it. I love this concept so much, you guys. Cute. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh. The donut. Love it. Cute. Then we have the thanks to. Cute. They're so short. Oh my gosh. And then the credits. And then here's the CD. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. And let's go ahead and go through the little credits. Ghosting, again, that's my favorite one. Although they were all wish list is so good as well. Like, they're all so good, you guys. And then let's go through this behind book thing. All the Crocs, how cute. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, this is so adorable. I love it. How cute. I love his styling. It's adorable. Cutie. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, love it. We didn't get any pictures in the Yeehaw fits, huh? I'm upset. Oh my gosh. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. He said yeehaw. Cute. Cute. Love it. And then the credits, and that's it for that. Let's go ahead and look at the stickers. Cute. Adorable. And then we pulled, damn, cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then here's this. And then our photo card. Yay! So I pulled my double biases, which is Suin and Yunjin. Amazing. We love to see it. But yeah, that was it, you guys, for the TXT unboxing. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day. Bye.